Hello YouTubers, my name is Rick.
My name's Amanda.
And welcome back to our kitchen again.
Hi! Today we are making a healthy strawberry smoothie. But first, before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the bell to get our upcoming videos. And with that said, let's get started. First, we get strawberries. And you have to have your scale. And you put your bowl on it before you turn it on. And make sure it's in grams. See that little G there? It's grams. Because we are measuring at 140 grams. That's about a cup of strawberries. Let's see if we can get it right on 140. You want to make a bet? Oh, come on.
You've been doing this too long.
Come on. You're a party pooper.
I know better. I'm losing. She's been doing this too long. She's going to get me. She's going to try like $5 or something. I'm a cheapskate, guys. Uh-oh. I could have won, maybe. She's going to make it perfect.
There we go. Yeah.
I told you guys I would never do that. I went backward. I could have won.
Hey, it's still the same. It counts.
It's good enough.
Then you take your strawberries and you throw them in your blender.
And these are frozen strawberries, by the way.
Yes.
That way you don't have to put no ice in it.
And they're really good. Then I use fat-free milk. It's a little pink container. And I measure out 8 ounces. That's a cup. And let's see. That's about a cup. And then you take your milk and you dump it in here. And then I use vanilla. I use about 1/4 of a teaspoon.
That's vanilla extract.
Yes. And then I put in some strawberry extract. Same amount, 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then, whoops, too much that time. Maybe it gives it an extra kick. Oh, and then I put 3 packs of stevia. It's really good, actually. In here.
Now this has a real good GI of under 30.
Yes. And then you hit...
Which is a glycemic index is what I'm talking about.
Yes. Thank you. And then you hit... Let's see if it's... No, it could use some more. And then you get your glass. Don't that look good? I
want some.
Do you think I should give them a try?
Sure.
Taste it.
Yeah, I would.
You put your little straw in there. You guys should try this.
I know, you should. I think so.
It's really good.
Yeah, you can have this on the ketogenic diet also.
And this is 132 calories if you're watching your calories. And it's also, like Rick said, it's also keto friendly. And that is it. And we hope that you guys have a safe and happy holidays. Peace out.
Peace out.